What up, YouTube? We are back with another video. This time we're going to bring y'all the slime challenge. I got my boys with me today. I got Mason and Tristan. And we are so excited to bring y'all this epic slime video. You excited to do the video? Let the people know how excited you are to do the video.
I'm excited too.
Mason, I know you excited to do the video.
I'm excited. I do video because I get soccer.
All the ingredients we need for this challenge, we need a tub to make the slime in.
Something.
This borax. That's what it's called, borax?
Borax.
This powder. This powder is what solidifies the slime. Then we got 16 bottles of glue.
Look up in the slime
It's
mouth.
the cheap stuff.
And look up big top.
For real.
Look up big top.
Oh, you want to do blue slime or you want to do green slime?
Blue slime.
Blue slime. You vote on blue?
Yes.
You vote on blue? All right. All right. I was looking for some bees to do crunchy, but couldn't find no bees. You want to do blue?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do blue. We did get some more food coloring, but the kids seem to like to want to do blue. This stuff right here is what helps solidify the slime. All right, come on, let's take the tops off the glue. Let's pour the glue in, guys. Everybody grab some bottles of glue. Let's pour them in.
Yeah. And I put the glue in there. Oh yeah, we put the
glue.
Oh my god.
You stir this one up.
Okay.
Oh, not yet.
Done.
All right, Tristan, you get one. Wait. Pick it up, and you and Mason pour it at the same time.
Right.
All right, go. Man.
Yeah, white slime.
You can let them stick their fingers in it
Hold on.
to a certain consistency.
No, not now, Tristan.
Now touch.
Not now. It's still too tough. Ooh.
It's slime now.
All right. Do we need to put some food color in there right now?
I'm gonna put a couple drops in.
That's gonna be cool. You finna put food coloring on everything.
Glycerin glue.
Mm.
The whole thing is staying glue. We need more food coloring.
I think we need more borax because it's starting to just separate from the water.
Ooh, it's slimy.
Let's get the powder.
We need some more borax. My turn.
All right, you can stir it up. All right, you can't stir it up.
Okay,
It's too stiff.
now I can do it.
You sure we wasn't missing something?
Okay.
You sure we wasn't missing something?
Can I stir now? I want to have one more chance like I did when I was.
Okay, let me try to chop these big old chunks up.
Stick your hands in it and squish it together.
Yeah, it's a good,
Just
isn't
roll
it?
your sleeves up.
Oh my gosh.
All right, come here.
It's so slimy.
All right, squish it around. Use both hands, Mason.
There.
What are we doing wrong?
Now it's
It's like cottage
baby.
cheesy.
I'm gonna say it feel like cottage
Maybe y'all need
cheese.
to add some more water.
Slimy baby.
All right.
That's slimy baby. That feel like cheese. Cheese. Now I'm scraping myself. One more shot. And let's scrunch
I think this is gonna be a
up.
fail.
Oh my god. It's so crunchy. I'm touching the.
Keep mixing it.
Keep mixing it in.
Hey, it's so crunchy. deep. Prepare to die.
It just curdled up, bro. I think the glue we used is dang good.
Ugh, you stand up and do this. Stir it up. Make it up. You like it? We don't fail.
I'm sad.
I'm not sad. Because I get to touch this slime and squish
So
it.
it's a sticky.
What the heck?
What do you guys want to call that?
Sticky slime.
Ooh, snake.
Super slime. Crunchy slime.
All right, man. This seems like it's the end of this video. This was a fail. This was a
No.
big bust.
failed.
We did not make slime in our greatest, best effort. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down.
Well, you
Thumbs
can,
up this video if you want us to do another slime video.
Well,
Like
we can
always,
Guys,
we're
we
going
can-
to bring back more videos. So
Guys, we
please
can
like,
crunch
comment, and
it up.
subscribe.
crunch it
But
up.
this was a complete fail. Sad to say. But if you thumbs up this video, we'll definitely attempt
got
this again.
that.
Drop a good recipe in the comments so we can attempt this again and make a successful pass at it for you guys.